What? We're not live? Yeah, we're live. We're live.
Fuck.
You're on YouTube. Ah! Hey, you have your own channel. Anyways.
Don't look it up.
Brendino99, look it up. I'll post a link. Oh shit, you're in trouble now, son. Come on. Are we going swimming? Damn. You taste like Canadian cigarette.
That's okay.
It's nasty.
Stop it.
No, I like American cigarettes, thank you. Look, water. Do it. Come on, I got it on video.
I just don't want
You said you could. I want to see it.
I just don't want it.
I want to see it. If he falls in, I'm not going after him. He's deaf, so I can say these things.
No, I don't want to.
No. You don't want to, or are you scared? Canadian boys scared.
Combination of both. That's what you do.
Scared of a little adventure. I get you. I get it.
You're so tough, Americano. Why don't you go do it?
Because I don't let my mouth write checks my ass can't cash. Oh, I love this. This is fun.
Oh. Hello, nurse.
I'm not a nurse.
Wanna be nurse?
Want to be nurse.
Okay, that works.
I change ass for a living. Professional ass scraper would be the title. My boyfriend, the photographer. That's totally the screenshot right there. Alright, battery's about to die. Peace. More videos to come. And subscribe to this kid down here, too.